Before you sit your CeMAP Unit 1 exam, watch this video. It will save you from the most common Pearson VUE mistakes candidates make. Hi, welcome back to Proctor Tutors, your trusted partner for professional exam preparation. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to guide you step by step through everything you need to know before taking your certificate in mortgage and practice. CeMAP exam on Pearson VUE. You'll learn how to install the Pearson VUE on VUE application, how the system test works, how the online check-in process actually looks, what examiners expect from your testing environment, and the key do's and don'ts that will help you avoid delays or disqualification. Whether you're testing from home or at a Pearson VUE test center, this video will prepare you with confidence. Step 1. Install the Pearson VUE application. Go to the official Pearson VUE website and download the On VUE application. Run the system test. Make sure your webcam, microphone, lighting, and internet connection all pass. If anything fails, fix it now, not 10 minutes before your exam. Step 2. Prepare your testing space. Pearson VUE is very strict with CeMAP exams. Your desk must be completely clear. No phones, no books, no notebooks, no second monitor. Your room must be quiet and well lit. During check-in, the proctor will ask you to rotate your camera. So make sure the entire room is clean and compliant. Step 3. Start the online check-in. On exam day, log in 30 minutes early. Click Begin Check-in. Upload your ID, take your face and environment photos, and wait for the proctor to approve you. Sometimes there's a queue. Remain patient. Do not refresh your screen. Step 4. Inside the CeMAP exam. Once you enter the exam, you cannot talk. You cannot look away from the screen. You must stay within the camera frame at all times. CeMAP Unit 1 requires focus. Pace yourself and flag questions you want to review later. How Proctor Tutors helps. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the Pearson VUE process or the exam content itself, I offer structured CeMAP support. That includes realistic practice questions, revision materials, exam day guidance, and professional support to help you pass with confidence. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CeMAP tips, study hacks, and exam day strategies. Visit proctortutors.com or contact me directly for personalized exam assistance.